This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Lovely home situated on a corner lot in a quiet cul-de-sac. Notable first floor features include 9-foot ceilings, an eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar that opens to the large living room, a formal dining room, and a laundry room with access to the large 2-car garage. Upstairs find 2 sizable bedrooms, large frog that can be used as a media room or third bedroom, and a spacious primary with ensuite bath and walk-in closet. Quick, easy access to interstate and centrally located to the shipyards and surrounding tunnels. For more information, review the details below.